Hello everyone, myself Vandana Bharti, student of Information Technology from Government Girls Polytechnic, Gorakhpur. I have completed my training in TechPile Technology Private Limited, situated in Lucknow. It was a great experience with TechPile because I learned many languages in TechPile like HTML, CSS, C programming, JavaScript, jQuery, Java, Bootstrap, database. I am thankful to TechPile staff, especially Rahul sir and Divya ma'am, because their teaching way is very different, which makes us able to understand all languages very easily. I choose Android as main language. During this training, I have made a project. Let's see my project. This is our main page. There are two buttons in this page, student login for students and admin login for teachers. Now we will click on admin login. This is our admin login page. Now fill username and password, then click to login. Welcome to admin dashboard. Here is menu bar. There are many options in menu bar as you can see. Now click to add notifications where admin can add notification. Notification added successfully. Now we will add assignment. This is our assignment page where admin can add assignment. Assignment added successfully. Now we can sign out from admin login. Now click on student login. Student must be registered to login. So we will go to registration page firstly. This is our student registration page. Now fill all mandatory fields and register. Now we can register. Data saved successfully. If you are already registered, then back to login. Now enter your mobile number and type password. Now click to login. Welcome to dashboard. This is our menu bar and here are also so many options like as dashboard, new notification, assignment, my profile, sign out. Here is the profile where you can see the student profile. You can update also your profile. This is notification page. You can see the all notification added by admins. This is your assignments which are added by admin. Now come to dashboard and we will log out from student login. So this was my project. Thank you.